Hello traders, this is Mr. Golden. Let's just take a look. Today is Tuesday. As we open positions, are there any current opportunities? In order to open a position, let's talk together for logic, how the market is moving today. And in general, let's try and get into some good position in order to earn a little. Alright, let's see possible chart of Euro, US dollar. Let's start with it. What do we have here and how is it looks for us? We have contextual HTF arrival at the target in the form buy side, and we have an unfilled efficiency from below in the form fair value gap as potential target for our price and further sweep. That's understandable. That is the predominant movement, the predominant direction in which I would like to work from the HTF point. It is a short because we have one here, unfilled inefficiency, which would be good to fill in. Okay, let's move on to the hourly time frame. Let's see what we have here. Our day has started today basically from Jude swing. That is, swing, which removes liquidity and demonstrates long movement. Long movement leads us to where? Correct to premium values of the last local swing. What do we see as of now? We see that the price still works in the long-term direction, but we already formed an hourly value inefficiency below as a potential target for work. Let's move on to the 15 minutes. What do we see? We see the attenuation of motion, that is, the price rapidly moved to long. However, now it began to fade, and this is the first sign of correction. This is the first sign that you can enter a correction. In 5 minutes, we are also moving in lateral movement on a minute time frame. This is also a lateral movement. However, considering all these factors and the factor of time and place, where is the price now? Our idea is relevant, and we can take this position simply by determining a little longer time. Let's open our chart, US Pocket Option Platform. And the time of execution of such a position will be at least 9 minutes. That is, 9 minutes in the short direction. For this type of positions, when we have HTF targets, not local, and we consider the graph from the point of view prospects are not a minute or 5 minutes, and 15 minutes or even an hourly time frame, we should also take this into account in our positions. That is, to open positions in the time interval from 10 to 40 minutes, looking from the idea we consider. Let's see, how will it end this trade is for us. And after that, let's turn on here again. Guys, I remind you that the most active of you will get the opportunity to join a live trading session with me personally. So don't hesitate to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below this video. There are 10 seconds left until the end of practice. As we can see, the news has reached the market. I did not take this into account when shooting this video. However, this position was closed in BU. However, you can see how well the price worked. The goal is still relevant. Our position simply returned what we did with you. Accordingly, we can continue our session. After all, we didn't lose anything. We didn't earn anything. Our goal is to find a good position that will give us a profit. Actually, I really like the logic here, and I even, considering now, believe that the setup is still relevant. It's just that now it can be done in a little less time, because we were already quite close to our final goal. Let's do it again. Now for 7 minutes. As you can see, the idea remains valid. If the idea remains valid and we have a good entry point in order to move into a position, as in this case we were eliminated due to break-even, that is, we got back the money we bet on this signal, we can implement the idea repeatedly. Target is still relevant in the form of fair value gap, 1 hour value. Let's see how this position ends, after which we will return to the discussion of this trade. If you have any questions about this strategy, feel free to write to us on Telegram. We actively communicate there, discussing deals and sharing our experience. So there are 10 seconds left until the practice is over. As I said earlier, the idea remained valid. Prospects for short-term movement remained, and the position is closed in profit for me, which is 2,640 net in one session with you, since the previous position was at zero. That is, the funds were returned. Net profit for today, 2,640. Let's take another look at the Euro USD chart, and let's see what we have. We have a clear hit on the target, which I described earlier. This video clip turned out to be somewhat more informative, given that we had news implementation at the point where we got a break-even position, and it showed once again. If you are planning your trade, have a clear strategy and understanding of where the price should go. It cannot happen otherwise. Experience never deceives. Mr. Golden was on the line. See you in the next videos. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.